Hey y'all, it's Sharla from the Hartsel Homestead. I'm back here with you one more time on the Creative Retreat Kids YouTube channel with the August Faith Art Box, Abound in Hope. Now, I sure do hope that you all are joining us in this kit this month, even if just for the devotional content. I know sometimes it can be hard to set aside time for the art part, and that's okay, but always make time for the devotional study. And you can get that through a digital download too. You'll be so glad that you do. Today, I'm just going to create another word study card. It's a short art part, but I wanted to jot down some notes on the back of my card for the word abound and what a wonderful word it is. When doing a word study, I want to look at what the Bible definition is for the word that I'm looking at. I know it's important to do a quick Webster lookup, but I want to go deeper and connect the meaning that God has for me to the lesson here. Abound here does mean to exist in abundance or to increase. And we connect that with what we're abounding in, hope. So to exist in an abundance of hope. And a synonym for abound is to flourish or to thrive. So putting that together for better understanding means that we can thrive in hope from God our Father. And what a wonderful promise and foundation for our life with God through Jesus. I love this word, and I'm looking forward to going deeper and deeper and jotting down a bunch of little notes here on my card. Now, to give a quick overview, on the front of my word study card, I'm simply using my go-to 4x5 inch card. I did round the corners with a little paper punch here on this one. And I used a simple paper strip, a sticker from my stash to give me a background for my title just in the center of the card. And then I framed it with this gorgeous glossy floral sticker from the kit. I just cut it in half so I could put it above and below my little center paper strip to give it a little more presence on the card. And that's a little cheat, or if you want a larger presence of a certain element, a sticker, a piece of ephemera, cut it in half and use it in a couple of places. And so it may be the same size overall, but it gives a bigger impact, so you have a little more coverage of that element. I did go ahead and just use the kit alphas and stickers to create the kit title in the center. And then I just blended a bit of Mystic Lavender from Creative Retreat Pigment Inks around the edges of my card just to add a hint of color and knock down that white background. I felt like even though I started with that white card, when I put all of my color in the middle, it was just disconnected. So I kind of wanted to soften the edges of my white card. So I just blended a little bit of color. And then, of course, I always have to add a couple of wonky hearts, right? The back is just simply going to be a place full of lines for notes as I continue my study of the word abound. Now, I just want to take a minute and say I have truly enjoyed the opportunity to meet all of you here on the Creative Retreat YouTube channel and to be part of the ministry here. I know God has wonderful plans with Danielle and the future of Creative Retreat Kids, and I am so excited to watch them unfold. She's already been posting sneaks. If you haven't been looking, go check it out, of some of the new kit changes coming, and I am thrilled about all of the extra art goodies she's bringing into them for each month. While I may not be on this channel, I do hope you'll join me over on the Hartsel Homestead YouTube channel. I'll Bible journal over there, maybe once a month or so. Might not be as regular as often as we have been here on the Creative Retreat Kit channel, but I will continue to share my love for Bible journaling over on that channel and also through Instagram. And I've got my accounts listed down in the description box below. Thank you for being here with me today, and I hope you all have a very blessed day.